The hot plate on the 1000X ESSE cooker is brilliant. I love cooking on it. Because it's always on slumber, this hot plate is never cold, so it literally only takes about 10-15 minutes to heat up. Yesterday for lunch we had jacket potatoes and I cooked some extra to be energy efficient. So I'm calling this dish a hash mish mash, and it's a cross between stuffing and roast potatoes, and it's a one pot, and it's perfect for cooking it on the hot plate of the 1000X. It's already heated up super quick, and I'm just going to add the red onions. Then I'm going to add the bacon pieces, and again a little bit of extra fat in with the onions. Chorizo sausage, celery, and you just give it a stir. I think using a really heavy cast iron hot plate on this fabulous 1000X cooker is the best because it's not actually going to burn. There's so much control. Because it's already browning really nicely and cooking, I'm just going to turn the dial down and then just going to slightly slide the pan away, because on that surround you've still got the heat while I get on with the potatoes. A really great alternative potato dish if you're like me who loves potatoes. You can already hear it sort of reduced on the heat, so I'm just going to slide the pan back onto the top to maximise the heat again. Then I'm going to add the chopped potatoes with all the skins, and then just let that go brown. Just going to slightly slide it again because you've got all that control. Just slide it again. And then I'm going to chop up that lovely ingredient of wild garlic. Go nicely with the chorizo. Add that. Another brilliant feature that's built into this amazing cooker is it's got a grill. But because I've already cooked the chicken in there and there's already some ambient heat in there, it'll only take about 5 minutes to heat up. So I'm just going to turn the grill on, and then I'm just going to brown the hash brown and put it under the grill. Leave the door open, and then it will literally only take a couple of minutes just to brown off. I've finished with the cast iron hot plate. Now we're going to turn it off, completely off, close the lid, just to continue keeping that heat in that cast iron hot plate, even though it's turned off. Right, look how quickly that grill is. Wow. I hope you've enjoyed watching me cook this seasonal local produce in this 1000X cooker. It's not only energy efficient, but it's an absolute joy to cook with.